Alright guys, so on this video we are gonna do some winter camping in the rain. You guys, it's supposed to come down pretty good here in a few hours. It's middle of December and it is gonna rain. I just loaded up a few short dried wood. I'm gonna grab a few more before it gets really rained on here on this pile. It's wet, but once I get it in the tent, it should hopefully dry off. And so I'm gonna grab a few more here. Some of the scragglers, the ones that we don't really sell, you know, or they're short, they can't get bundled up. So, yeah, right there, some scragglers. Yeah. Let's grab some here. Yeah, they're a little wet, but it'll be okay. We'll just we'll make it work. Yeah, should dry up. Man, these are some big ones here. Won't fit in the stove. Yeah, these are big. They're stragglers, but they're still big. Okay, that one. I got my tent set up. I know it's at home in our backyard, but before we really go out to the wild, you guys, I want to test it out. And I'm gonna do some cooking in there as well, you guys, and spend the night in there tonight. So, I think that should be enough wood. We got some dry ones here already, and these ones I'm gonna put in the tent and let them dry in there. So, and I also got, I'll show you guys here, I also got a buddy heater, Mr. right here, portable buddy heater, 4,000 to 9,000 BTU Mr. Heater here. And I got some propane right over there, in there, right there, a couple of them, 4 or 5 of them. That should get us through the night, 4 or 5 of them, because they say one small propane will last us let me see what side, will last us 3 hours, 4 hours. That's just for a backup. And you know, I want to try to run the wood stove all night if I can, but that, like I said, that's for a backup just in case it does get too cold in there. And my fan is supposed to be coming for my wood stove. I'm gonna go check, see if that's here. If you guys can just feel how warm it is, like on the screen or like on TV, it is warm for middle of December. Literally, you guys, it is crazy warm. It's a heat wave. 60 degrees right now in the middle of December. By tonight, it's gonna drop into the teens. Rain and then drop into the teens. I might, yeah. It's raining, bud.
Look, I got a treat.
Let's go. Ashton got you a treat.
You want a treat?
Come on, let's go in. Go.
Oh,
Go.
right there.
Go, bud. Go in.
Go, come on.
Georgie, this way. Go. Alright guys, so here's the tent. It's a pretty big tent. Ashton's getting the wood. It's warm, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Like, wow. Yeah, throw it. Yep. So we're getting the wood in there. So here's our wood stove. I feel like I need to almost empty that out. Alright guys, so here it is. Tent. I tightened up the tent there. It sagged from the snow, so I had to tighten it up some more. I should almost tighten that up some more too here on this side, but I think it'll be okay. Yeah, it'll be okay. Should be okay. That snow took it down good, so it should be okay. All right. Alright guys, as you can see, it is like very quiet right now, and they're talking wind and chance of tornado. So I'm gonna try to stay in here, and hopefully the wind doesn't take this tent down, because we got it scared pretty good. But this is crazy, you guys. It's warm, literally like 60 degrees in December, middle of December, and it's strange. And and there's like a little bit of breeze right now, but not much. But they're talking there's gonna be rain and just wind coming through this place. So we'll see about that. Guys, what I want to do right now is just get me and Ashen stayed in here the first few days ago when we first got this tent set up. So I just got to get things organized in here. I've got so much stuff in here. I just want to get it cleaned up. And right here by the floor, where we track in like mud and stuff, I got to figure something out. I might just get a rug right here, so when we come in, at least we take off our shoes here. And then maybe have slippers, you know, if we're in here, because I want to keep this inside here clean. And yeah, and so this is where we're gonna do our cooking, right on that stove right there. Man, that is thick, guys. So guys, you gotta let that heat up, or gotta get the pan hot a little bit. I should have put the pan on there while I was cutting the veggies and the meat, but that's gotta get warmed up. So guys, it's pretty warm in here right now, just because I'm cooking this and we got quite the flame here, and it is warm in here, really warm. So yeah, I'm gonna stay out here tonight. My first night, we're gonna try it out. Or actually not my first night, but my second night. But actually, this time, I'm actually prepared. The first time I wasn't, so. First time it was cold, real cold. And I've got our firewood there, and I've got our new fan that blows out heat. So we should stay pretty warm in here. The one thing I forgot is the thermometer in here to see how warm it gets in here. But right now it is quite warm, quite warm. Some whole grain rice. We're just gonna pour right in there. The only bad thing is you can't control the heat or control, like, yeah, I bet you I can. Let me just, oh, that's burning hot. Let's close this up just a little bit. Oh, man. Ooh, looks good, guys. See, these potatoes are done. I doubt it. Potatoes take a while. Potatoes not done yet. I'm gonna take it off the stove too, guys, so that it doesn't stay on here tonight. Guys, I am hungry. All right, so here it is. It's finished, and it is delish, you guys. Mushrooms, great. Potatoes, let's try that. Not too overcooked, which is good. And then, of course, got the New York strip, thick steak. Good, guys. I didn't even have to season this. All the season came from all the ingredients and the cream of mushroom soup. Good. For some reason, camping's in my blood. Cooking is in my blood. Like, being outdoor is in my blood. And it's something about doing this type of videos and doing this type of doing this stuff. Even though it's in my backyard, you guys, who knows? I keep doing this. Eventually, it ain't gonna be camping in my backyard. I know that for sure. So, follow along. Come along for the journey. I don't know where this is gonna take me, but I'm gonna keep doing different videos for you guys, because this is part of the daily hustle. Daily hustle. Daily hustle is not just about working. It's about finding that happiness. Simple things like this makes me happy. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and appreciate it. We will see you next time.